What is up, guys? This is Flamefish Blue, and today I'll be playing some PvZ2. I was starting to get bored, so I reset my game. As you can see, I have that costume now, and I did Ancient Egypt. Then I thought Ancient Egypt was easy with a variety of players. But could I do it with one player? Well, sun production, all that. So today, I will be defeating the Ancient Egypt with only sunflowers and lightning reeds. I have a lot to upgrade, but I'll do that later. And the rest could be random. I'm not even gonna use it. That's how it's gonna work. I don't think I'll be able to do it. Well, Ancient Egypt Day 1, no doubt I'm gonna win this. Who loses to Ancient Egypt Day 1? Okay, maybe me. Crap. Get shot. I need more lightning. They can take them out, can't they? Okay, yeah. I was scared for a second. Not for that long ago. And honestly, I would do a PvZ2 rating to my favorite plants to least favorite plants. Put in the comments down below if you want me to start doing that. But I'm gonna go ahead and flat up tell you that you might not like the answers not answers, but my favorite players actually. No, I didn't mean to do that. I need symmetry. Close enough to symmetry. There was Ancient Egypt Day 1. Fairly easy. Fairly easy. Bok Choy can be leveled up to level 4 later. He's almost level 4. Wow. Why do videos pop up? Videos need to leave my life. Anyways, now day 2. I forgot to say I will be skipping all conveyor belts, and when it gives me a plant, I'll just simply go boop, boop, boop. Hi zombies! I heard that you were coming, but I didn't hear that you're coming so quick. Right now, I'm not doing 2 rows of sunflowers, because honestly, I don't feel the need for it. Yay, now I got more sun for more lightning reeds. Lightning. Feel the lightning. It's supposed to be called Wonderful Friday. I will finish my symmetry this time. Symmetry must be finished. It was finished and not halfway done this time. Yay. I'm trying to do multiple things at a time here. Dang, I got a lot of plants to level up. Oh yeah, whoops, sorry about that. I'm trying to triple task. Anyways, there's the first 2 levels. If I can break this right here, I'll be... Okay, I'm back. And continue our to level 3. Nope, bye. No conveyor belts, no playing your... Actually, yeah, playing your defense can be done. If this is a conveyor belt, I swear. It's not, it's not a conveyor belt, I don't hope. No, it's something else that I probably can't do for this either. How many levels will I have to skip before I'm able to do this? Okay, level 5. Let's see if I can do level 5. Yay! So many things I gotta dig up for nothing. Okay, sunflowers I can't keep. The sun production. But so many other things. Please. Things shall be no more. Attack the zombie! Do lightning greens have a disadvantage against graves or something? I thought lightning greens just go through graves. Well, I guess I see. The lightning green definitely did better with... Did you just steal one of my pieces of sunshine, boy? Oh, crap. Lightning greens, barrage him! Lightning greens! Lightning greens! I'm not gonna lose a lawnmower. It's not on day 5 of this. I gotta find a way to do this without using the iceberg lettuce. I'm gonna go ahead after I get out. Yeah, that's enough sunflowers for now. It's not. No. No! Attack the zombies, you stubborn lightning greed! That. Wait, I can use sun production. I can use sun production. Ha ha ha. I just literally use sunflowers for walnuts. That's so sad. But still work. And now that massive bucket head in the beginning of the level is gone, since it's not the beginning of the level no more, I might be able to do this. I got some money for some sunflower walnuts. Let's go ahead and place some of those down. Let's place down some sunny walnuts. That's gonna be the name of my walnuts I use in this series. My sunny walnuts did good. Haha. Sunny walnuts did it. Yay, my sunny walnuts are halfway to leveling up. Yay, cabbage pole actually can level up. I leveled them up off video. Okay, level 5. Okay, that's a boss battle. That is just screaming conveyor belt. So I'm gonna skip level 6 because I know it's a conveyor belt. Is this a conveyor belt? Bye! Why are there so many conveyor belts? What about 8? Is 8 a conveyor belt? I might be mad if there is. Conveyor belt, do not be a conveyor belt. Okay, okay, you want me to use ice, but I'm not gonna. I'm not allowed to, game. You're teasing me to do it, though. Move the correct side. Oh crap, I don't have a single sunflower on yet. Ha ha ha. This will work. I hope. Sunny night. Nope. Not losing lawnmowers on the fast levels. I'll lose lawnmowers after level 10. Honestly, that was the recording button's fault. The recording button won't let me move it. Now I'm getting more of a smooth start, you could say. Give me more sun, alright! Yay, I have sun. Yay, this time I actually have sun. How come I can't? Man, this one might be hard to pull off with the light. Oh, I got an idea. I got a schemish idea. Haha. That flame guy's about to be signed. He ever thought he could mess with. Oh, no, I can't use you. Now I can't. I need to somehow get both lightning greens out at a similar time. Does it have to be exactly the same? It just has to be similar. You here? You here? That's a complete fail. I don't know how I even got so off that time. It's possible, is it? No. I'm saying it's possible. I need to quit worrying about my economy at the beginning. that's it. I just found out how I could do this. I'd like to continue on with strategy. Of course, I need a little bit of sun to begin with. Not that much, but a little bit. If you don't mind. Crap, I don't even think he's gonna kill that guy. Okay, I might be trying to mess with the impossible, honestly. I'm not gonna quit trying for some reason. I'm trying to mess with the impossible, honestly. What? I need sun. I did. Check it out. Who said I had to lose on one more? Eat this, zombies. You wanna go, Torch Guy? I wanna fight too. You know what? Fight this instead. I'm getting too cocky. Eat this, Torch Guy. Eat this! I pulled through, yay! I mean, that was just massive at the beginning. It was like 2 torches at the beginning at me. Wow. This wasn't easy as I thought it would be. I left off at level 8. I'll try to remember that. Thank you for watching. Bye.